Let's place a rule above and below the subhead. I'm going to select my text, and I am going to select the paragraph panel, and I am going to select paragraph rules. I'm going to click the preview box because that helps to see what's going on. And I want to select rule on for rule above. So I want to add a line above the subhead. And you can see it's set to 1 point. And I need to increase the offset so that it actually is above the text. So I'm going to go with that right now. Then I'm going to select rule below, and I'm also going to say yes, I want that. I'm going to keep the same characteristics, and now I want to decrease the offset or increase the offset. So I'm going to select that and say OK. Now I want to do the same thing to all of the other subheads. So the best way to do that is to actually create a paragraph style, right? Because now I have my text formatted, and I want to apply that same formatting to other pieces of text. So I'm going to select the paragraph styles, and I am going to select new paragraph style. And I am going to call it subhead. And I'm going to click preview, and then I'm going to say OK. And then, so now I have that style set up, and if I select the next subhead, I don't have to do the whole thing, I just have to have my cursor in the line. So now I have a rule above and below.